Hello everybody, this question is about rotation of charged particle is a uniform magnetic field. First of all, we talk about the sign of the charge of particle X. Observe that X is moving in this way, so the velocity is this way. And it is turning in this way, so the centripetal force and magnetic force be in this direction. So we use the Feynman's left-hand rule FBI, and we find it out the corresponding current should be in this direction, which is opposite to the direction of the velocity. Why? Because particle X is negative charge. Second, we talk about the mass of particle X in compare with other particles. So you have to use the equation. We have a magnetic force using as the centripetal force. So QVB equals mv squared over r. So R equals mv over qb. So you observe that particle X has a larger radius, so it should have a larger mass. So the answer to this question is B. Thank you.